7 unbelievable moments when animals fight for food. Watch what will happen. In the natural world, species are always competing with each other for the same resources in an ecosystem as a source of food or survival territory. Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll take people to admire the moments of scrambling for prey in the wild. The leopard spotted 2 single hyenas enjoying prey. He was going to wait for the 2 hyenas to finish eating and come and dispose of the carcass. Putting the carcasses of their prey on the treetops is difficult for the hyenas to recover. But when it spotted another animal approaching the carcass, the hyena returned to chase it away. This prey is the hyena's meal for the next few days. The leopard is known as the king of speed in the animal world, but its physical strength is not as good as other predators. Therefore, it will generally avoid clashes with predators, sometimes leaving out the food it has just hunted. In African grasslands, it is no longer uncommon for big fish to swallow small fish, and the strong to bully the weak. Two lionesses had just discovered a prey that had been killed by a herd of more than 10 hyenas. They came to win this meal. Hyenas are physically inferior to lions, but the combined herd also chases 2 powerful lionesses away and wins food. Lionesses are aggressive, masters of hunting in the natural world, but only 2 individuals alone. Lions cannot overcome large flocks of hyenas. This prey was hunted by the leopard, as the leopard was enjoying it when a hyena rushed to eat it. The 2 ate peacefully at first, but the hyenas wanted to monopolize their prey alone. The leopard protested at first, but eventually went away to wait for the hyena to finish eating. After the hyena left, the leopard returned to continue enjoying his meal. 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 The leopard returned to continue enjo This is a rare moment when lions and crocodiles compete for prey. Normally, these two animals rarely clash. And conflicts are also common in the lagoon area, which is crocodile territory. When the crocodile eats the lion's prey, the lions are not pleased, but not harsh with it either. Not only predators, but among herbivores, there is competition. Competition for food and water. Like this African elephant chasing the bison herd out of its drinking area. This vulture herd has just found a zebra carcass. They signal to call their fellow humans to eat. The carcass had been eaten by predators, but for the vultures, it was still a full meal. Vultures will split up to eat the carcass. Some will stumble upon the teachings of other vultures. But in general, they eat quite peacefully. In contrast to the peaceful setting of the vultures, wild dogs are more active in the field of eating. This species will take its part and go out to eat, not focus on eating. Many are slow to wait for others to finish eating before eating the leftovers, or they will scramble with each other. These wild dogs seem to have collars, proving that they have been positioned for protection by animal research organizations. Surviving in the wild is not easy. Animal habitats are gradually shrinking, and water and food sources are also more scarce. Video of today to here is the end. If it's good, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to watch more good videos. Bye, thank you, and see you in the videos next time.